Hello everyone. Today we have an 1879 model Reichsrevolver. Some people call it the Cavalry model. And I just recently picked this one up. It was made in 1882. It was accepted by Bavaria, actually unit marked to a Bavarian artillery unit. So I figured I'd want to take it out here and see how she shoots. So that's why I'm here today. Yeah, I'll load it up and we'll get going. So to load it, we open the loading gate. We have it at half cock. Just drop in the rounds. I'm shooting some nice black powder rounds from my buddy Greg. Hooked me up. He has one of these, only the next model, newer. Shoots the same round. And we got a full load, so we'll see what she can do. Nice puff. Shot a little high. I'm going to lower that down. There we go. Nice. Just make sure. Yeah, so she's out. So I forgot to bring a dowel rod to eject the round, so it didn't come with an ejector rod. I put it at half cock, so what I'll use instead is just a stick we found laying around out here today. And we'll show you how you just kind of knock these out. Got a little black powder residue, so when I get home, I'll clean her up. But there she is, your 1879 Reichsrevolver, still working after over 100 years.